Alright, so welcome back. Today we'll be learning about child classes and arrays and array lists. Usually when we create an array or an array list, the list items all needed to be the same type, but polymorphism puts a new spin on what's considered the same type. In fact, we can put instances of different classes that share a parent class together in an array or in an array list. So for example, let's say we have a monster parent class with a few child classes, a vampire, werewolf, and zombie. We can set up an array with instances of each. So you have monster, Dracula, Wolfman, and zombie 1, right? And you have Dracula, Wolfman, zombie 1. You basically declare each one, create a new object for each, and then monsters, you have monsters, and then you have the 3 that you declare right here. And we can even iterate through the list of items regardless of subclass and perform the same action with each item. Monster.attack. So you have monster, in the array monsters, and you do attack on each one. So in the code above, we can call attack on each monster in monsters, despite the fact that the for loop monster is declared as the parent class type of monster. So our task will be to declare and initialize an array of type noodle called all the noodles with the following items. Okay, so initialize an array of the type. So we'll do noodle, all the noodles, noodle, all the noodles, like right here. So that's essentially all you're doing, right? Is you're just creating this, and then you'll do spaghetti, ramen, and pho. So that's all you're doing right here. And then it says loop through each noodle in all the noodles, and then call get cook prep on each noodle and print the result. Okay. So our for, and we'll do noodle, all the noodles. Actually, we'll just call noodle equals all, or colon, all the noodles. And in here, what we'll do is go ahead and print it out, system.out.println, and we will call on each noodle. So noodle dot get cook prep, and run it. Boom. That's amazing. That is actually pretty cool. That's actually pretty cool, huh? Yeah, that is so cool. And there you have it. That is child classes and arrays and array lists. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.